Took the shutters off my house all the way across. And I'm going to wash them and repaint them. Sure is hot out here. Let me wash your face. Hold on. Alright, so I washed all of the shutters, and as I took them down, I numbered the backs of them. I don't know if you can see that, but this is number 3. And I have the arrow of how they came out, like from the top to the bottom on every last one of them, so that they will go back into the proper hole. So this one is upside down, but this one is number 4, and the arrow is pointing up. So they are all clean. They have all been cleaned, but they are faded. They are so faded. And just going to wait for them to dry. I'm going to spray paint them, because if I roll paint on in the heat, let me sit down. Once they are all dry, I'm going to spray paint them, because if I was to roll paint on them and the sun shines on them, it might loosen the paint. So spray paint is the best way to go when you're doing shutters. I've done a lot, different customers because I'm a painter also. So it's best to use spray paint and not roll it on, because the paint, when you roll it on, it'll heat up and peel off. So that's the tip of the day. So I'm just gonna wait for them to dry, and then I also have some spray paint here, and what I'm going to do is spray them, and then I have the blue Rust-Oleum gloss protection enamel. This is a spray paint of choice, and it is in, I don't even know the color of this blue. Let's see, it is called Royal Blue. Basic. So I'm going to use the Royal Blue spray paint after they are dry, and I'm going to spray paint them. And then I'm going to put some of this spray paint on a card or a piece of paper, run it back up to my local store, Lowe's, and have them color match so that I can paint my front door with the same or close to the same blue. So, waiting on them to dry. Stay tuned. Just going around looking at my work. So I want to show you the difference between the two. So take a look at it. You can see the one that I did and the one that needs to be done. Big difference. So I'm gonna leave this there for it to dry. I like the way it looks. Looks brand new again. All right. So I finished painting the door, and all of the shutters are back up, painted and back installed on the house. So I'm gonna step back so that you can see the whole thing. And this is it. Looks brand new again.